Hi there, I'm going to show you in this video tutorial how to remove the Google account from Tcl A2X, alias known as Tcl A508Dl. As usual, we have here one sample which got factory reset, and now it's asking for the Google account used for the configuration. Since we don't know it anymore, I'm going to use Furiousgold Smart module from pack 6 to remove it. So let's start by powering off the device. And once the device is off, I'm going to select the model in the software, and from the operations box I'm going to click on FRP reset, and now we are going to connect the phone. When the software starts searching for the device, we are going to enter the USB cable in the phone, and if everything is okay, the device should be detected. Then the work starts, and it already completed. Factory reset protection successfully removed. Now let's remove the cable, power on the device, and check if the account was really removed. As you can see, now we can skip the Google account entering. This is the first sign showing that the account was successfully removed. Now let's complete the setup. So we are in the phone menu. Everything went okay. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our product.